my people. How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my YouTube channel, Variety TV 2023. That's right. And I am excited to bring you a semi-unboxing of a gaming console that I have. Okay, but before I do that, I want to thank all my existing subscribers and all my new subscribers for subscribing to my video channel. All right. And also, don't forget to check out my playlist. Okay. I have some really good playlists. I have a playlist called Light Gaming, Light Gaming. I do some Linux gaming on there, as well as just some Steam regular PC gaming, okay, that I've done. And I've uploaded that. I will try to do more in the future, okay, as well as check out my help info playlist. And you can see how there's some real helpful stuff there, but you can see how to get computers for 80 to $100. Really good computers. Okay, even got links to them. So now on with the show. This is going to be about a mini game console. Okay, I have my notes. I have my drink. It's early in the morning, so I got my coffee. Help clear my throat there. And let's do this. First of all, this is going to be a mini classic games console. I bought this off of Amazon, okay? And I wanted to tell y'all about it. I bought this a little while back, but I wanted to tell y'all about it. This gaming console has 620 individual games on it. And let me show you. Okay. Here it is. Called the entertainment system. You can get it where it's called different things, but it's all the same. Okay. See the connectors here for the controllers, buttons here. And if you look in the bag, power, that's where you put your power. All right. Now, give you a side look, front look. This device right here has 620 classic games, including, yes, I'm gonna answer your question, Mario, the classic Mario games. Yes, it has the classic Mario games on it. Now, what I like about it is that I'm a YouTube creator, a video creator, okay? And I try to even out my online life where I'm connected to the internet equally with my offline life where I'm not connected in any way, shape, or form to the internet or don't have to be connected to the internet, okay? And I try to equal that out, all right? Nice balance. So what I like about this is you don't need Wi-Fi to play this, okay? You don't need Wi-Fi. You don't need Bluetooth, all right? This connects directly to your TV. Even if you have an older TV, it will connect to the AV, all right? You don't need HDMI to use this. That is cool. And this is can be used strictly offline. Why? Because 620 classic games are installed in this box. You don't no downloading nothing. Everything is right in here. You plug and play. All right? No internet needed. Now, let me also describe what this is all about. It comes with two definitely classic looking gaming controllers. And it's gonna bring back some memories, so there they are. Now I want you to understand I have never, this is a new experience for me, even though I'm 58. I have never played any games on any type of controller in my entire life. None. And I have never used one of these before in my life. Okay? My gaming that I ever did when I was younger and recently that I uploaded was done strictly off of a computer that I had before it crashed. That I had. Okay? It was done strictly off of that computer with a keyboard and mouse. Never have I ever used this. So this is a learning experience for me. But it comes with this right here, this controller. See if you can get a better shot at that. See that? All right. Now, and it comes with two of these. You got to select, so when you're scrolling up and scrolling down for the games, and you got your start button, so you can start playing. Kind of cool. All right. Now, the cool thing about this, you plug this into your TV, older or newer television, and you're good to go. Okay. It's ready for AV socket. Okay. Now, it works on old TVs, and you can always, for your newer TVs, if you want to, you don't have to, but if you want to and you want to have that HDMI, you can buy one of these. Now, if you have an older television but you want the HDMI, you can buy one of these. This is a mini HDMI to AV adapter. Okay? And this will allow you on your older televisions to use HDMI of any type of device. And these are not very expensive at all. I'm talking about this, I think, under $10. So, and that gives you the HDMI ability if you need it. All right. Now, I bought this back in the day at Amazon. It's a little bit more now, but you can buy it right now. The one I showed you for $29.95 on Amazon. Okay, I will try to put a link to that. Now, it goes up from that when you add things to it. They have some that's $25.95, and then it goes up because they have some that are HDMI and AV already installed. That's more expensive. Then you also have some that's HDMI, AV, and wireless. That's more expensive. So you get all types. I got the one where I didn't have any type of wireless, nothing like that needed. Okay, because I wanted strictly offline. Okay, now give you an example of the price. The HDMI wireless one is $49.99. So it goes up major once you start adding those other attributes. All right, but you can get it like mine for $29.95. All right. Now, again, I asked you to check out my light gaming playlist. I think you will love it. I think you will really enjoy it. I do, as soon as I get another computer, I do plan on uploading more just light. This, I'm new at this, but light games that gaming that I do. Okay, just really light games. Some of my classic games, older games, but it's really fun. Okay, and a lot of them are Linux games that are free. Okay, you could download today. Okay, like Tux Tux Rider, I believe it's called. Super Tux Supercourt. Yeah, going to check that one out. I did. I think you'll like that. So I just want to show you this. I mean, and this is something that you as an individual can enjoy. You and your partner, you can have this set up, put together, and like if you got grandkids come over, they ain't got nothing to do, they're bored. Okay, boom. Let's say the internet goes out. You're not worried. They still can play a game. Okay, because it's all the games are in the controller. All right. Hope you enjoyed that. That is my unboxing of my mini classic games console. Okay, you can find a lot of them like this, but I like this one because it doesn't go overboard. You have some that, oh, there's 3,000 games on. This is 620 games. You're gonna find something in there that you enjoy. You're not gonna be overwhelmed with too many games, and which most of them are probably gonna be super crappy. No, you're gonna get some quality classic games on this one, and for a low price. All right, and I should wrap to y'all later. Again, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching this all the way through. Peace.